So, I was gonna make this video for y'all, and I was actually gonna film my dog because he's sleeping in my bed, and I guess he was dreaming or something. I don't know about running in a field because he doesn't ever get to run, although he does. So that makes no sense. Never mind. So I guess he thought he was running, and he was laying down on the bed, and his paws were just moving. Like he was running. Like in a field, like and I was gonna record it, but right as I hit play, he woke up and like moved, and I don't think he's sleeping anymore. It was gonna be so great. Anyway, I look really gross. I have like stuff all over my face. Anyway, I feel like crap. So I'm gonna go. This is a short video, but hopefully if I catch him running again, I'll be able to catch it for y'all.